Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Project title is Machine Learning Based Birds Name Identification Using Tensor-Flow. Abstract. The object recognition system for machine learning has become widely known recently, and each algorithm of the object recognition system has its own advantages and disadvantages. When the user uploads the bird's photos to the system through a smart mobile device, the system will identify the object according to the algorithm of TFLITE. It's judge which bird it may be, and after a final comparison, the result with a higher percentage of accuracy is transmitted back to the users, thereby improving the accuracy of the identification system. We need to match the image with trained dataset, so we send the image to the dataset through the TF-Lite file. When press the get button, we receive the image to the app file using intent. Let's issue the flow diagram of our project. First of all, the user get the login of the pages. First open the pages, then get image using the gallery or camera. Anything you get the image. They get the image. After load the image, go to send the file to the AR TFLITE. Then send it's a receive from image from the user, and the AR TFLITE doing the receive image from the user and matching the image to the trained data set of the machine learning. Then find the name of the bird and send it to the user. After send it to the user, they receive the name of the bird from the TFLITE file and and if and display the name of the bird in the result. This the and then we show the image and below of the name. Our project screen, first screen, login screen. Then if you have a new user, you are the new user, then click the new user and get the sign up using example. I proceed name James, mobile number 98543210, Gmail James at gmail.com. Password is 123456. I doing anything. Password is minimum 4 6 letters. Then click the sign up, register successfully and go to the main page. If you want to upload the image, just click the load image. This is using camera gallery. Okay, if you gallery, use this. Otherwise, you use you use the camera. Open camera means camera will create a picture of the bird from your device and upload it. Then load image, click it. For example, that means this is the name of the bird of like this. Okay. With camera it's a emulator, so I did not use the camera of the project. Is the real device. If you use the camera image, real bird, click the photo and send it to this means it's possible. Thank you.